Just last month, a series of storms caused the San Diego River to flood in the Mission Valley area. There were rescues, and a few cars got stuck in rising waters. ABC 10 News reporter Austin Grabish is joining us now live from Mission Valley, where city crews have been preparing ahead of tonight's storm. Austin.
Kimberly, the city tells me the river is about 3 feet right now, but by tomorrow it is expected to go as high as 12 feet. That's 12 feet of water, and that is likely going to trigger the closure of roads, including this one here in Mission Valley. Tonight, the City of San Diego's Emergency Operations Center has been activated.
This storm will impact every area of San Diego County, and it matches a 10-year record event.
The city is preparing for the San Diego River to spill over and flood some areas in Mission Valley.
It will flood during this rain. How bad it floods is really dependent on, does the rain fall in that river's catchment area.
Inside the operations center, crews from different departments are coordinating the city's response. They're planning for the worst, but hoping for the best. Lifeguards are on standby, ready for any water rescues.
We're just waiting. Even though it doesn't seem like it, we're prepared. We're prepared to make the rescues. It's not if, it's when.
And Caltrans is moving its crews around in response to the storm on the way, sending resources into the mountains, which are expected to be blanketed with even more snow.
We're cleaning drains to make sure that the drains are free so they can take the flow that's coming from the rain events that are going to happen in the metro area.
And Kimberly, the San Diego Lifeguard Service is urging drivers tonight and tomorrow to follow road closure signs just like this one beside me here. They say the big reason they have to do rescues in this area is usually because drivers have not followed these signs, and they're urging everyone once again to just take a moment and follow these signs so that they do not have to get anyone out of the water. Reporting live in Mission Valley, Austin Grabish, ABC 10 News.
An important reminder. Thank you, Austin.